Hey everyone, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2026 Enthusiast Collection Street Glide Dark Ember. And wait till you see the graphics on this old girl. But with the Enthusiast Collection, they got limited production numbers. The color, like I said, is Dark Ember, and hope, you know what, we'll have to go to the front, but oh my God. Blue windshield, big old eagle on there, celebrating 250 years of freedom. 117 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. If you have it, this has one-off pieces on it with all the red, white, and blue. All the way down to the dash. Like I said, these are limited production numbers. Even the seat is customized. The red, white, and blue. All the way down to the back. And there we go. With a 12.3 inch screen running the Skyline operating system. We got a big old tray in there now, the USB port in there. So I have ABS, security, cruise, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control, all the good stuff that all the new street glides and road glides have. But the paint is the big thing on this bike. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966, Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.